In this exercise we have a straight line through 2 points. Actually I meant the line segment just from one point to the other, not the whole line. We have these 2 points, we have a line segment through them. We want to parameterize that with a parameter t going from 0 to 1, but in polar coordinates. Of course, we're in 2D. Cartesian is xy and polar is r theta. What I suggest is let's parameterize it using Cartesian coordinates and then use the conversion formulas from Cartesian to polar. Now, in Cartesian, I'll call it xy. I could have just used vector r. I'd like to have xy. I didn't write that they're both functions of t, I just didn't write the t. The formula for the line segment between 2 points is we take the first point and then we add parameter t times the vector from one point to the other. So I'm going to subtract, well, the same things but as considered as vectors. Sometimes I write angular brackets to distinguish points from vectors. No confusion here. So we'll take the it's the head minus the tail, and then we also make t go from 0 to 1. Notice that when t is 0, this bit's 0, so we're at the first part, and when t is 1, then this cancels with this and we're at the second point. So this is equal to, if I just write it out, let's see, 1, 4 minus 3, 2 is minus 2, 2. So if I do the computation, 3 minus 2t, that's this 3 and then the minus 2t, and then y is 2 plus 2t. So